Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic gaming on Android. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in playing games on Android devices and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Gaming on Android. Friend, first of all, we have to understand that what is Android. Android is an operating system which is open source operating system, and this is a very popular operating system for different mobile devices, tablets, smartphones. And this operating system is basically developed by Google, and it is a Linux based operating system, and very popular for playing games and video games on devices. So now we shall discuss more in detail about different features. Like first one is the hardware. Friend, Android devices has different shapes, size, range for smartphones, tablets, and even some hybrid devices as well. So when we talk about hardware, basically we are talking about the processor, CPU, graphic processor units, GPU, RAM, storage capacity. um, so all those things are considered during when we talk about hardware. Normally the hardware of gaming devices is very strong because it needs a powerful hardware uh, to run the game actually. So generally and normally the hardware of gaming devices are very strong and very heavy. Then Google Play Store. Friend, Google Play Store is basically a platform available through which you can download and install games on Android devices. It hosts a vast collection of games ranging from titles to complex and graphically intensive games. And Google Play Store nowadays commonly used through your mobile tablet. You can install free games. You can also you can install those games which are one time which for which you need to one time purchases or in-app purchases as well. Many times it happens that free games are available on Android which you can easily install, download and install on your mobile devices. Game types. Friend, Android offers a wide variety of game types including action games, adventure, puzzle, strategy, simulation, role playing, smart sports, racing, and many more. So if you have interest in any type, for example you are interested in simulation, you are interested in action games, so you have basically there is something for everyone. So that means whatever the interest you have, you can find the relevant game on Google Play Store. Then game controllers and input methods. Android devices offer a touch screen control as well. So that means when you click on the icon, when you click on the screen, you can control the game. So that means by tapping, swiping, and using gestures on the device's screen, you can play the game as well. Also the Android offers the gaming controllers as well, like this type of controller, in which basically by using the Bluetooth or USB you can connect these types of controller, nowadays easily available in the market, through the devices. Okay, and you can play the game. For example, you can attach that game controller with the mobile device or with the PC or with the tablet as well, and by using that devices you can play the game. By using these types of devices, the control on the game is much better. Okay, if you play with these controllers, you feel that you have a good control on the game. Graphics and performance. Graphics quality. When Android devices render complex 3D graphics and offer realistic visuals comparable to those found on dedicated gaming consoles. However, the actual graphics quality can vary depending on the specific game and capabilities of the device. Frame rate. Gaming performance measured in frames per second (FPS). Higher frame rates provides smoother gameplay. High-end devices are capable of running games at 60 FPS or even higher. So 60 FPS frame per second is basically the higher quality, actually generally consider. Multiplayer and online game. uh, Whenever we are playing Android games, the multiplayer option is available, which is a very interesting option. Local multiplayer is also possible. That means allowing you to play with friends using the same devices over a local network. Okay, for example, that means simply if you are, for example, at a place at which for example 5 persons are sitting on the same network. Okay, so you can, this is called a local multiplayer. Online multiplayer is also available through the internet. That means you can, for example, one person is sitting in India or Pakistan and one person is sitting in USA or Canada. They can play both together. They are on the different network, by using the internet they can play the game. This is very interesting because you can play all over the world with different team members. Cloud gaming. Cloud gaming means, friend, that basically this technology leverage powerful remote servers to do the heavy processing. So this game will basically run on the remote server and the game's video output is streamed to your device. So basically the uh, stream games directly to your Android devices over the internet without the need for high end hardware. So that means basically the game in the cloud, basically game is running on the remote server. It is not running, it is not basically depending on your device hardware. It is basically running on the remote server. So that is basically called as the concept of cloud gaming as well. Then in-app purchases and monetization. Many games allow you to basically, once you install a game and playing a games, for example you want to purchase any specific gun, for example, so you have to purchase that. You have to purchase any currency, you have to purchase some enhancements. For that purpose you have to purchases in actual purchases, like you have to pay it through the credit card or debit card for that purpose. This can include things like cosmetic upgrades, extra levels, gameplay advantages, etc. Next is the updates and community. Game developers often release updates to fix bugs, add new features, or introduce new content. Android gamers can benefit from a large community of players, forums, and social media groups where they can discuss strategies, share tips, and seek help as well. So you can understand, you can think, you can realize that how much improvements and enhancements are there. Cross-platform play. It is also possible, friend. Technology is now much improved. That means, for example, one player is on Android, one player is, and the second player is on the iOS device or some other platform. So those games nowadays available through which you can run through the multiplayer options, and like Android and iOS different devices, you can play a game as well. So this is also a great feature nowadays available. Overall, friend, Android offers a diverse and dynamic experience with a wide range of games catering to different tastes and preferences. The platform's accessibility and the whole wide availability of the devices make it a popular choice for gamers worldwide. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.